Taking the shampoo and body wash out of your cruise bathroom shower. Ice in every stateroom should be required. And apparently non-refundable means different things to different people. Yep, it's once again time for what every cruiser wants. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video and another episode of What Every Cruiser Wants, where we are going to read real cruise comments from people that know how we all should be cruising. And as we are winding down 2022, just a few more days left in this year, I got some really good ones for you. So for our first comment, we're going to talk about shampoo and body wash. You've been on a cruise, you know, inside the shower, they have the containers there up on the shower wall. One has shampoo, one has body wash. Now, I'm not sure if anybody out there believes that the cruise lines purchase the absolute best products they possibly can to put in those containers, or if you believe that they purchase the most economical stuff that they can put in those containers. Some people like it, some people don't, some people use it, some people still take their own products. Well, for this particular comment, they seem to really like it. I agree with the OP. It was wrong of you to tell her not to empty the shampoo and shower body wash into her own containers. We should be allowed to take the shampoo and shower body wash. We have paid for them in the price of the cruise, whether we use them or not. I'm sure the suits have included this in their workings out of the price to charge us for the cruise. I have done and always will empty the shower bottles into empty bottles that I bring with me, so come after me if you think you must. So while I do use the body wash and the shampoo that's in the showers on the cruise ships, I don't believe that it's the best stuff out there. It works. I'm clean when I'm done, and it just means I don't have to carry something extra on board the ship. Now that's just me. And it may also just be me because I have never ever considered taking empty bottles on the ship with me so I could empty the entire container off the wall and then take it home. But hey, maybe it's just me. You guys let me know in the comments below. Do you guys take all of the conditioner and shampoo in those containers? Do you empty them into your own bottles so you can take them home? Because maybe I'm wrong in thinking people don't really do this. But then you read comments like this and it does make you wonder. So you guys let me know. Do you take it? Do you leave it? Or do you even use it at all? Now, have you ever gone on a cruise and thought to yourself, wow, I wish this cruise ship was more like an Econo Lodge. I wish it was more like a Motel 6. I have never thought that. Perhaps somebody out there has. But let's take a look at this comment. I have a comment which needs to be taken seriously. Filling the ice bucket should be part of the steward's job description and not something we should have to ask for. Everyone I know uses ice in their room every day of the cruise. Why is this not a standard setup, and why are there not ice stations on every deck like they have at your basic Econo Lodge? Everyone they know uses ice in their cabin every single day of the voyage. Well, I can tell they don't know me because I don't use ice in my cabin every single day of the voyage. Now, there have been an occasion where I get a cheaper inside cabin that perhaps does not have a small refrigerator. In those particular cases, I ask the room steward to bring me ice, because you can always ask the room steward for ice. If you want ice in your cabin every day, you just let your room steward know and they take care of it for you. But I throw the question out there to you guys. Do you use ice in your cabin every single day? So should this be normal practice for there always to be a bucket of ice in everybody's cabin? Or would that actually just be wasting water? Because maybe not everyone uses the ice every day. And do you want your cruise ship to have ice machines up and down the hallway and be more like an Econo Lodge? And finally, non-refundable. Seems pretty clear, seems pretty straightforward, that if you book a cruise that has a non-refundable, say, deposit, you cancel that cruise, your deposit will not be refunded. According to this comment, maybe that means something different. I had a cruise booked on the Pride next October out of Rome. My travel companion is no longer able to do a 6+ hour flight to Rome. So I booked another 15-day cruise in September on the Venzia. Both are casino rates. I was shocked when I was told my deposit on the Rome cruise would be forfeited. I know it said non-refundable, but I just wanted it moved to my new booking. I guess I missed where it said totally non-refundable. This doesn't seem right. I just turned diamond, so I'm definitely a loyal Carnival cruiser. I would say that if you've cruised enough to become a diamond member, then I would also assume that by this point you understand the term non-refundable when it comes to booking your cruises. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it does mean something different to everybody else. Is non-refundable really mean that it is refundable? Or should it say that it's totally non-refundable? And to me, this comment just seems kind of silly. But hey, you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. Is the term non-refundable deposit mean something to other people? Let me know what you guys think. All right, and that's going to be our video today for what every cruiser wants. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great weekend, having a really great Christmas, or even better yet, out there having a really great Christmas cruise. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.